Rough times in Bay Colony, sarcasm noted, over land issues. A new landowner about to build a home is currently in court with his neighbor opposed to him moving in. Dawn Cohan, through her attorney, has filed a motion for a temporary restraining order to try to stop Joshua and Carrie Keenis from building their new home. Reporter Andy Fox is outside the Virginia Beach courthouse with what happened in court today.
Yeah, well, Regina, really the important thing about this story is that I know about this story because I live in Bay Colony, and I would drive by the property and see the protest signs, in part to save the trees on this property. Now, let me take you inside the courtroom to show you what was going on. The judge ruled in favor of a temporary restraining order against any tree removal until August 1st, calming down, if you will, to think things through without destroying the trees. Dawn Cohan's attorney said there were three issues to support the restraining order: a boundary line change on the property, deciding whether this is a corner lot that would impact setbacks for the new development, and adverse possession, that Dawn Cohan and two previous owners took care of the property when the actual owners before the current one did not.
Well, it's obviously very important. It's not typical to adversely possess somebody else's property according to the way that the land records read. But if you occupy it, you maintain it, you improve it, you do these things continuously over 15 years or more, then you can adversely possess property.
I'm just going to trust in the process. I think the truth will prevail.
What is the truth?
You'll hear about it in July.
I feel relieved that we have the opportunity to receive some justice in a couple of months, and I know that my team is going to work as hard as anyone to make sure that that happens. So I wish that he had come to the house to talk it over or give us a heads up as to what was going on.
And that's a quick wrap in this case. Now, we could see a trial in July.